guys, it's me again, Jack, and welcome to another episode on this channel.
Hello.
So may guest ako today. Kasi this afternoon, may papakita kaming something different, something kind of new to you. And gusto lang namin i-share what we have been occupied with since this pandemic happened. So, it's been a long time since you last saw us. And mapapansin nyo naman, longer na yung hair ko from the last time na ginupit ko siya.
And she got my hair.
And I got her hair. That's right.
But
and,
at least her bangs are better now.
yeah.
Check Facebook.
Yeah. Ang taba ko na po. Sorry naman. Pero, ayun. So, this is actually the first time since March na nag-powder at nag-lipstick ulit ako para sa inyo. And para sa ipapakita namin sa'yo. Kasi syempre hindi mo pwede mo pag-iwanan, diba? You look like a monkey. Okay, so what we are going to show you is actually something that came from the mail around a week ago. Ta-da! And
A peach box.
We made
That's
sure
what
that it
kids
has been disinfected na before we show it to you, before we touch it. Okay? So, can you guess what's inside? Actually, kung followers kayo ng Instagram or Facebook page ko, you would have seen me post stuff like
6 million photos of it.
Hindi naman. Mga mga 6 photos pa lang.
Yeah.
And ipapakita na namin sa'yo what's inside.
600 million kasi.
Huwag kayo matakot. But, ito na siya. Ta-da!
Spider!
No,
Cockroach! A doll. Hey,
Yep.
you're covering my beautiful monkey face.
Sorry na. It's a doll. Ta-da! It's a nude doll.
A blonde doll. Not
It's
a
blonde.
nude, it's blonde.
It's blonde.
Just kidding, I know
It's
what a nude is.
nude. Yeah. Ta-da!
Nude means nude. Just
Yeah.
kidding.
No. And, yan. So, we originally got her kasi this baby here, kita niyo naman, she's wearing a large bow, is a fan of Jojo Siwa. And we decided na why not try making one. So, ito na siya. As you can see.
If you saw earlier,
masyadong
go
blonde
back
hair.
to it and you'll see me carrying something like
Yeah.
a piece of
See?
this.
Blonde hair. And, you know what?
Can't
Yung
touch the
eyes
doll?
niya, yeah, I can't touch the doll. Mommy lang muna. And then yung eyes niya actually can change. See? Be
And then, like,
surprised. Yeah.
Put a flashlight in your dad's bed and then go like.
Yeah. Right now, the eyes are blue. Blue, no? It's blue. And you have a
Blue.
piece
And
of
she has
string that you can
beautiful-
pull. So, pag pinul mo kasi siya, magka-close yung eyes niya. And then,
And you can design what her eye. And you can design what her eyebrows
and
look
then
like.
another one. Ooh, this is kind of
You can design what color you want
Yeah,
her
and
eyebrows
then-
to be.
there, brown.
It's-
So,
Isn't that orange?
and then, is it?
It's
Yeah,
orange.
it's orange. And then, what we decided to do, since we wanted to make her somewhat
Can I say?
like Jojo Siwa, is we what?
Made a clothes for her.
Yeah, we made some clothes
Just
for
kidding, made
her.
clothes for her.
as much
Not made of
as much
clothes.
as we could. Pero syempre dahil pandemic, scarce ang ating materials. I'll just show you here's what we get.
If you want to look at her sewing machine,
This is not a scrunchie. This is a petticoat. And then we have a jacket. It's a cat, colorful
And we
rainbow jacket.
the thing that I was carrying earlier, like
Yeah.
this. I was
Yeah.
carrying it like this earlier.
It's a piece of dress with shiny colors.
And a bow.
So-
very, very important.
I'll just try to put it on.
And you can
on
like,
her.
you can design what color you want her eyebrows to be.
Yeah, actually,
If you
she
want-
doesn't have eyebrow space.
If you
I'll
want
try
it to be
draw.
pink, I have no problem with you.
I'll
have no
I'll
problem.
try drawing some eyebrows later. But for now, ito lang muna.
Hey, Jojo, look at Jojo.
I tried to draw some eyebrows on her, and here is how she looks like. Ta-da!
I'm touching. That was the alcohol. My dad would kill me if
She is colored, yeah.
I don't do alcohol.
So there you have it. She's wearing
Are we
sparkly
gonna have to end this
clothes,
video?
tutu, and yeah, and a jacket, and it has a cat on the back. Ding!
A cat on a bed. A cat on the back.
So that's our doll. We're calling her Jojo Siwa. Yeah, yes,
She's gonna sell them.
yeah. But I have to work on her eyebrows first.
So
Thank you guys.
tell her if you want her. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.